In this video, we're going to look at reverse percentages. Okay, so Jack gets a 5% pay rise. He now gets paid £441. What was he paid before the pay rise? So you get this question quite a bit, but they don't tell you it's reversed, so you don't get that clue. Okay, so what you do is you're going to start off by writing down £441, and it's going to be equal to a certain amount of percents. You get a 5% pay rise. So before is always going to be 100%. So after 5%, that's going to be 105%. Now you want to get 100%. Now, normally these are calculation questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out how big 1% is. And to do that, I'm going to divide by 105. And the answer I get, I'm going to multiply it by 100. So I need to do the exact same on this side. Divide by 105 and multiplied by 100. So how have I got 441? Make sure I've got the right number. 441 divided by 105. So that gets me there. And then if I multiply that by 100, I'd probably do this in one step. I wouldn't come off to do that. So £420 would be my answer. In a sale, that sofa is reduced by 12%. It's now worth that. How much did it cost before the sale? Again, before is 100%. So I'm going to write down the 4. Now it's reduced by 12%. So 12% away from 100% is 88%. But I'm going to go to 1%, and then I'm going to go to 100%. That's going to be divided by 88 and multiply by 100. £5.40 and times by 100. Don't need that to get me £540. If it's a stamp duty of 7% added onto the cost of it, I could pay £197,950 for the house, including the stamp duty. How much the house costs without the stamp duty? Again, I'm going to lay it out. I'm just going to make the answer straight. Divided by 107 times by 100. I'm just skipping this part. £185,000. So there are reverse percentages. Okay, here's some questions. Have a go. Let's pause. The answers will follow in one moment. And there I am.